you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a Good Vibe Scribe for November. Do you want a sneak peek of what's in November's box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this is November's Good Vibe Scribe box, and I'm so excited to see what's in here. They did send me like their first introductory box just to kind of see some items that would be in them. They also sent me last month's box to show you guys, which was for this month, October. And it was really good, had some really cool products inside. So I'm really excited to see now what is in November. So this should be like their second official box ever. And I'm loving this box so far. They are knocking it out of the park as far as the items that are inside, the card, the presentation. It's just, I love the box. I mean, mine looks like it might have seen a little bit of a little rough hazard when it came here, but hopefully everything inside is okay. But here we have it. Now, they did give me a code for this month. If you order until October 30th, which is my birthday. If you order from now until October 30th, you can get this box. This is again for November. You can use my code SheCrafty, all caps, SheCrafty11, and you'll get a free item in your box. So let's dive in here. Let's see what's in here, and then I'll tell you a little bit more about the company. So let's go ahead and see what's in this box. Alrighty, you guys. So, and I love the color of the box. If you follow me, you know that's my favorite color. Good Vibe Scribe. Welcome to the tribe. And that's what we got. That's what we got going on. So let's see here. So they do have their pamphlet, very pretty colors, and Good Vibe Scribe is sending you good vibes only. November 2019 featured products. Every company and product has a story. Peek inside and learn a little bit about the wonderful gifts that you just received. And then in here will be all of the different items. Ooh. So the first item here says Lark and Rue Body Polish. Looks like it's a nice little sugar scrub. There's that guy. This says each product is designed from the ground up to use the most gentle and effective ingredients that will soothe and moisturize your skin without stripping it from its natural moisture. Sorry, my dog had to walk across the floor right now with her little pitter patter. So there's this. Many of the products are vegan friendly and are 100% handmade from scratch in small batches. These are more effective products. They have more effective products for sensitive skin. Cozy up with warm, spicy body polish to set the mood. Made with a custom blend of pumpkin spice essential oils. Polish away rough and bumpy spots with generous amounts of skin-loving oils. Ooh. Skin-loving oils and sugar to polish and moisture dull, dry skin with no oily residue. Perfect for rough elbows and feet, yet gentle enough to use all over. Each jar is hand-filled to the brim and average a full ounce more in rich moisturizing exfoliation. Due to the handmade nature of this body polish, no two jars will look exactly the same. And it looks like, I know it's not a cookie, but it looks like there's like some little cookie or something up on top in there. And this smells so good. This smells like I would love to have this in a coffee drink form. Like, oh my gosh, I smell the cinnamon, I smell coffee, like I'm smelling some kind of coffee, I'm smelling pumpkin, I'm smelling spices. That would make oh my gosh, I would love that in a drink. Like that smells amazing and I cannot wait to scrub this on my body and smell like that. Sugar scrubs, I used to not like because of the texture. So I don't do any exfoliating on my face because I can't stand it near my hairline. But I have been using them now on my body, and I love when they're nice. I love when they're nice and moisturizing, and they leave your skin feeling so nice and fresh. And I think that's what this is gonna do too, because that's what it sounds like. So I can't wait to try this, and it smells amazing. So right off the bat, we're starting with an amazing product. So next is, oh, this is a nice little wood. It says, wake up, be thankful, repeat. And this is something you can either hang or you can just set like on a table or a desk, but it's a nice wood with the little engraving, and that's actually engraved into the wood. So there's that guy. This line of wall art balances modern minimalist sensibility with the coziness of meaningful words. Natural wood and refined text create an oasis of calm to recognize and enjoy the present. What a beautiful approach to both life and design. That is so pretty. I am going to definitely find a spot in my house to either hang. I think I might hang. I have this one little tiny wall next to between a window and a door. This would probably fit perfect, but it's just open in the back. So you can either hang it like with a nail just inside there, like that's what I'm gonna do, or you can set it on something. That would even be cute if it was sitting somewhere with like a nice little candle next to it or something. So I really like that. I like that a lot. So there's item number 2. So let's get going here. Ooh, this is heavy. Ooh, we have a coffee mug. This is heavy. So this is nice and thick. This is nice and thick. And you can tell it's made of high quality. This is heavy. This is a heavy duty mug, and it says cuddle weather. And it's like has a little speckle like as if it's a tin, but it's not. This is ceramic. This will break, but it's heavy duty. Look at that. How cute is that? Cuddle weather. It says it on both sides by Liquid Logic. That is so cool. And it's a nice thick handle. That feels nice in my hand too. Ooh, I like that. That is nice. That is really nice. And the speckles are like a black with like a little hint of looks like gray in there. But I love that. Cuddle Weather Campfire Mug. The goal of her shop is to bring beauty into your home and to provide positive and original decor and gifts for you to gift and enjoy personally. Each item is designed and handwritten by Beth, the owner. So you will not find anything like it anywhere else. Enjoy your favorite hot beverage in this unique handcrafted mug just in time for cuddle weather. Yes, this is perfect because this smells so good, and it is like a pumpkin spicy cinnamony coffee. Like it's like everything rolled into one to me. That's what I'm smelling. Then this sign is so cute. Definitely wake up, be thankful, and repeat. That's what everybody should be. Everybody should be thankful that you are waking up and you're enjoying your day. No matter how bad your day is, it could always be worse. It could always be worse. So to be appreciated to what you have, that you woke up, enjoy your day, make it your best day, and repeat it the next day. That's what everybody should be doing. So this is adorable, and it's so heavy. I love that. Okay, so next right here we have, it looks like this is a ring. This says Mata Traders crisscross ring in silver. And that is the logo for the Mata Traders. Fashion a Better World. And here is what this looks like. And it's open in the back, so it would be adjustable to fit whichever. Add a classy flair to your look with this crisscross ring. It's adjustable and timeless. Perfect for all outfits and any season. So let me see with my little chunky dunky fingers. Let me remove this one ring because I know it'll look kind of funky. So let me stick it like on my ring finger. And it does fit on my ring finger. So there you have it. That is really cute. And it's adjustable, so you can make it bigger or you can make it smaller. Or if you wanted to just put it like, you know, like some people wear it on their, sorry, not meaning to flip you off, but you know, like people would just wear it like on this part of their finger. So you can use it any way you would like, but that is really pretty. I like that. So it's adjustable, easily adjustable. Ooh, that'll even fit on my thumb. Look how pretty. I just made it a little bit bigger to fit on my thumb because it's adjustable. So that is really pretty. It's definitely neat. So we have the jewelry item in here. And one more item in here, you guys. And this one's broken. Okay, so let me carefully open this up to see what this is. When I saw the dent in the box, this must have been the outcome of the dent in the box. But this would have been cute. So it's like a ring dish. Hold on, let me try to put them together here. That's what it would have looked like. Good vibes and this little cute ring dish or knick-knack or trinket. Drop anything from your pockets from the day you want to drop in there, your jewelry or necklaces. You could drop in anything you wanted or just have it set out saying good vibes, but mine is broken. That sucks. And you could totally tell this box fell, or they definitely did not handle this box with care. But that's what it looks like all together. Aw, that sucks. That is by the Dish LTD Good Vibes Ring Dish. Interruption. There you go. Sorry to interrupt your normal broadcast station. I wanted to let you guys know something, so I'm going to drop this in right here. I went ahead and emailed the owner of the company after I unboxed this because I don't want her to see my video and then send me a new one, because she did send me this to review to show you guys, and I'm grateful enough for the other items that are in the box. That mug is my favorite mug right now. That body scrub is amazing, and the little plaque, little sign, wooden sign I have hung on this little cube thing on my wall. I love everything in the box. Yes, that one did arrive broken, but it had nothing to do with her. She actually wrapped it. I mean, you guys didn't see me pull the whole thing out because pieces were dropping, so I didn't want to make a big mess, but it was bubble wrapped this way, it was bubble wrapped this way, it was upside down and inside out. It was wrapped very well. So she did an amazing job packaging it. It didn't have anything on it to like bump against it or anything like that, but since it's such a thin, like, what is that, ceramic material, once it dropped or the postal person just tossed it to the side, it was just enough for it to crack right down the middle. So I reached out to her, I sent her an email, and I'm like, thank you so much for sending me the box. I want you to know once you watch the video that one of the items is broken, but please do not send me a replacement. I'm grateful for everything else that's in the box, but I just wanted you to know so you didn't just send me it once you watch my video. So she did respond back to me, and she told me that, you know, thank you for letting her know. She's going to go ahead and add extra protection to that particular item for all the boxes that ship out. Again, this one was sent to me early for review to show you guys so you can order in time to get that box. So rest assured, if you do order the box, which it's an amazing box, if you do order this box and anything is damaged inside, all you have to do is contact her and she will definitely get that replaced at no charge, no problem. But she is going to take extra precaution with that one particular item and wrap that bad boy up a little bit more. So hopefully in transit, nothing happens and yours arrives perfectly safe and sound. So again, I wanted to jump on here and let you know that she did contact me. She did say thank you for letting her know. So now she knows all the boxes moving forward to add a little bit of extra protection to that one specific item. So you guys should be good to go when you get yours. But if for some reason you have a crazy postal delivery guy and uses it like Ace Ventura and shucks it all over, all you have to do is reach out to her and she will make it right. Back to the video. So that is everything that would be in this particular box. There's the 5 different items. You have the ring, you have the body polish like a sugar scrub, you have the wooden sign, this amazing mug, and then the ring dish. But if it wasn't broken, I'm sure everybody else's is okay, just my box got beat up. So that part sucks, but it is very, very cute, and it would definitely look so cute sitting anywhere, on your nightstand, on your dresser. If you have like a little table that sits by your front door that you can just drop stuff in when you get home, you can even put your keys in there. You can use it for anything. It doesn't have to be for rings, but I have a few of them around my house that we use for different reasons. But that is everything that came in this box, you guys. What did you think of this box? I think it's perfect for November. You have the cuddle weather mug. You have the really nice saying that a lot of us need to live by. You have this, oh my gosh, this smells so good. Yes, that smells so good. So that is everything in the box, you guys. Now let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about the company just in case you didn't watch my other video. Good Vibe Scribe, every month subscribers will get a chance to treat yourself with a monthly dose of good vibes delivered to your doorstep. As small business owners, we understand how hard it can be to get your name and business out there in the world, which is why our goal is to promote small businesses around the country. We want to spread awareness about small businesses and products that our subscribers may have never known about had they not received them in their box, sending you good vibes only. We have 3 different subscription packages for your convenience. Pay month to month, or you can choose to save if you prepay for 6 or 12 months in advance. So month to month is $35 a month. If you do 6 months, you prepay for $199. If you do 12 months, you prepay for $378 and you get 1 month for free. So if you prepay for a full year, your 12th box will be free. Don't forget to use my code Crafty, all in caps, 11, and that'll get you a free item in your box, you guys. So if you do want to get this amazing November's box and you want to smell amazing, have a wonderful new mug, a cool little saying to put around your house, a trinket little dish, and a really cool ring, if you do want this box, you can order until October 30th and you can still get this box. Again, it's $35 if you want to do month to month, or if you want to go ahead and prepay for 6 months, you will save some money. Use my code to get that free item. So what did you guys think of this month's box? Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly appreciate it. I would love to know what your thoughts are. I think this is a really good box, especially their second box ever, you guys. It's only gonna go up from here because they're already starting out very, very well. Like, I know a lot of other companies that have been around for a while and they don't even do as good of a presentation or the items or anything like that. So them starting out as this their second box, they're already starting out amazing. So if you want to jump on board, definitely check them out. Their link will be down below. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. Until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye.